Hello YouTube, welcome to this video, and today I've got another of my Zippo series. Comes in its original box, and this week I'm doing the Playboy Lighter. Nice bright pink, as you can see, with the world famous Playboy bunny on it. That's the back, that's the front once again. The bottom with the engraving, and of course the sides, and just the hinge. Okay, got the book, images from the book at the end of this video. 1953, cast your minds back. And the pin-up girls. Soldiers involved in a foreign so far from removed from home started the trend by pinning up pictures of their girl or a beautiful celeb. In 1996, Zippo paid tribute to the pin-up girls with Pin-Up the Year, which started with Joan. And the actual image is based on a real person called Joan, who is a model from Illinois and Chicago. And the artist George Brown Petty the Fourth is regarded as the father, literally and artistically, of the all-American pin-up. His daughter Marjorie was his primary model in the 30s and 40s, and would model for Esquire magazine, for instance, and that is the pin-up of the year, Joan. The Four Seasons Lighter was released in '96, features Holly in various poses throughout the 4 seasons. Marjorie Petty and 5 more women graced the first of the Petty pin-up girl collection, the Zippo Lighters, released in '98. And the series continued throughout the 2000s. And also in 1999, so the Petty girl Zippo Lighters Silver Blonde take a place, and what follows is pictures of said lighters. All beautiful women. Obviously, there's the 4 seasons. Over there is some more lighters. As you can see. The artist, as I said, the George Brown Petty, the 4th, rose to fame, and he designed these lighters. The rabbit head design dates from 1953, and I'll show you once again. And was used to promote Zippo lighters and, of course, the magazine Playboy. And the latest Zippo in your collection is model 238 with a pink matte finish. The black rabbit head design of Playboy was added via surface imprint technology and will be a conversation stopper, as you can see by the lighter. Not my favourite, I have to admit. And Playboy Lighters, however, were very popular with collectors, principally because of the subject matter, i.e. women. And the last 3 lighters in the decades of the Playboy series was issued in 2006. So 1996 through to 2006. And those are some more images of Playboy. And the lighter. Okay, next topic. In good working order. While Zippo lighters are made to last a lifetime, consumers can do so much to improve the chances of the lighter never going wrong. First of all, use official Zippo fluid. Replace your flint regularly, and also a wick. And there's various hints and tips on how to get the most out of your lighter. To fit a new flint in the Zippo, remove the inserts from the case, unscrew the flint spring from the bottom of the lighter insert, remove the screw and spring, then remove the remaining flint from the flint tube and insert the lighter insert. Now place the new flint in the tube and replace the spring and screw. Tighten the screw completely so it will close properly. If the wheel drags after the new flint is installed, turn the wheel backwards a few times and try again. And tips for the wick. When the wick inside the Zippo lighter becomes black from carbon, pull it up with a pair of pliers till the clean wick appears. Cut the wick even with the top of the chimney and then straighten it in the chimney. After normal usage of the lighter, you might have to perform this procedure twice a year. To replace the wick completely, remove the insert, unscrew the flint, take out the felt pad and using tweezers remove all the packing from the fuel chamber. Insert a new wick downwards down the chimney and finally replace the felt pad and tighten and straighten this wick as well. Only cotton pads can be used to repack the insert of the Zippo lighter. And there are various tips. In 1953, a bit of history, Joseph Stalin, the leader of the Soviet Union, died. Harry S. Truman, the 33rd President of the US, goes and is replaced by Eisenhower, and our Queen Elizabeth II got coronated. Okay, next week is going to be rock and roll, and that's a picture of the rock and roll lighter. I hope you're enjoying this series. Give this video a thumbs up, and once again, the famous Playboy lighter. Stay lit, guys, and thanks for watching.